talk to you a little bit about infrared and also sauna, which is, how many of you have done infrared sauna before? Raise your hand. Okay, so Philip, take it away.
Yes, thank you. My name is Philip Wilson. I currently live in Las Vegas, Nevada. I was living in Columbus, Ohio for 50 years. I started a health food store and selling to health professionals and health food stores massage tools and cutting edge products like oxygen products, green foods, Chinese herbs, essential oils in the early 80s when no one else was doing that. So I've always been a pioneer. In 2001, I was introduced to fire infrared saunas. And of all the products I've been selling for 45 years, the Relax Fire Infrared Sauna is the pinnacle of items that can get you into the present moment and can make an incredible change, transformation in your health. I didn't bring my flash drive, but the Relax Sauna is in the room there. There's three set up, and our slogan is experience the difference, feel the momentum, and there is an incredible difference. This is not an infrared sauna only, it is a far infrared sauna, the only one that I know of in the United States. You have infrared saunas that have near infrared, that penetrate 2 millimeters, mid-infrared, and far infrared between 7 and 14 microns. There's a book out by a Japanese lady called The Science of Far Infrared Energy, and it points about how the 7 to 14 micron range, when you get into that frequency, it actually weakens the ion, it gets the water molecules to pulsate, and it weakens the ionic bonds between the hydrogen and the oxygen, and that releases the encapsulated gases like mercury, and chlorine, and sulfur dioxide, and carbon dioxide that interfere with the functioning of your body. So Hippocrates, the father of modern medicine, said, "Find me a way to create sweat and fever, and I will cure any disease." The Relax Sauna we have tested in laboratories in LA and in Massachusetts, in university laboratories. All of our energy is between 7 and 14 microns, tested by both laboratories. We sent a $1,200 portable sauna there. 8% of their energy was far infrared ray. We had the Relax Sauna tested in Michigan, 45% increase in muscle oxygen. It's really hard to get a sauna to give you more than 20%. I've been promoting the Relax Sauna for 21 years. It took the Relax Sauna company in Taiwan 10 years, from 1987 to 1997, to create an energy that felt like a healing spa in southern Japan where people would go to get healed. The Relax Sauna is the trendsetter. 1997, for 25 years and 21 years in the United States, we've been promoting the Relax Sauna. Rebecca Harder, a colon hydrotherapist, she owns a hyperbaric oxygen clinic. She wrote this book. She relates in this book her experience of having sold wooden infrared saunas for 10 years, just going by our booth all the time, turning her nose, and after 10 years she got in. In 3 minutes, the difference was amazing. She's the one that recommended Tim James. You got to see the Relax Sauna. It's different. Tim James told Dr. Brian Clement at Hippocrates Institute. Been trying to get a hold of him for 10 years. And get him to try the sauna. He now travels with it. The Relax Sauna, we've had incredible success with it over the last 21 years. I go to personally about 25 shows a year. I've put 150,000 people in the Relax Sauna. I can pretty much guarantee in 5 to 7 minutes, 100% to 50% of your pain will be gone without sweating with your clothes on. Now the big hook to get people in, because people walk by, I have a wooden sauna. It certainly couldn't be your little pod sauna couldn't be as good as my wooden sauna, no way. However, what I do is I tell them it feels like your grandma's giving you a loving hug, and people melt. You know, it's really basically tongue-in-cheek. It's basically a strange way to get divine love in a box or in a pod. It really feels warm and toasty. So what happens in a washing machine, the water goes through clothes and cleans every fiber of the clothes. The Relax Sauna goes in, the healing light, invisible light, goes in and cleanses every cell of your body by vibrating with the water molecules and creating a spin as well. And this lady, she was a physicist, she told me that will increase the voltage. You will increase your core temperature according to a study that this one guy independently posted on reddit.com. He was not able to increase the core temperature more than a half a degree with 2 Amazon saunas. He was not able, they totally failed to do with heart rate variability. Is supposed to, like the research on far infrared saunas, PubMed.com, heart rate variability. That's the great success with heart rate variability. The Relax Sauna, when this one guy tested us, not only did it increase body temperature 3.2 degrees in 25 minutes, but magically it increased heart rate variability so much more than the research said it would. And that's related to the interval between heartbeats. The Relax Sauna is, again, when you experience it, then you understand, then you know, you feel the momentum in it. We've got success, Lyme disease, we have vaccine-injured women, 2 of them cried because they had feeling in their hands and their legs for the first time in 2 years. We've had many other Lyme disease. We have 15 testimonies on YouTube. I have about 900 testimonial interviews on YouTube. I've been promoting the Relax Sauna for 21 years. It's special, it's unique, and if you have a wooden sauna, I talked to this one guy who's got a sunlight and sauna in his office in Salt Lake City. He's had the Relax Sauna there for 3 weeks. He's used it every day, night and day. All saunas are good. If you need to go to the grocery store 5 miles away, a bicycle will get you there, and you'll be raving about it to all your friends. When I give you a Mercedes, you'll say, God, I can even take the groceries back with me. It's incredible. And that's comparing the Relax Sauna to any other sauna. Again, you may think, now 5 to 7 minutes treatments, you can do the Relax Sauna. Why? The heat-up period is 30 seconds, not 30 minutes. You go in and you feel, oh my gosh, and it brings joy. It gives mental clarity. I use it 20 minutes every morning. With the Relax Sauna, you can use it for 5 to 7 treatments any time in the day, and that's magical. The only sauna you can use it 20 minutes, that's all, for a complete sweat, or you can use it for 5 to 7 minute treatments. RelaxSaunas.com/superior, RelaxSaunas.com/superior is the website that will give you all the current information. I thank you so much. I encourage you, by all means, even going in for 10 seconds, magic happens. Thank you so much.
Appreciate it. So one of the things that, and I hope that you guys would also take the opportunity to experience, is because we've been encouraging people to do the sauna, and but the portability of it is really the key. You know, we have one and we keep it in our closet in our living room. We just take it out and use it, and it makes all the difference.